might do it. Just need to do a bit more. Film that, there's a bit here, but I'll need to just start at the top. Weld it for the top first, or, well, I suppose I can do it at the bottom as well first and just hammer it into shape when it heats up. Just don't want it sitting like that with a gap up here. Just want it up, sip it here, so I'll just need to remember that when I'm welding it back on, putting it back on, or welding it even. Trim a bit of that off as well. Maybe there. I'll need to put this bit in first. That goes in underneath, and then once that's on, once that's on, oh, it's going underneath anyway, but, and then I'll put this bit over, and then once this bit's on I can fold these bits down a bit and this bit in a bit, and then I'll bring that over to join up. That's the subframe mounting bit there. The other side I had to cut this out because it was rusting away. This is rusty but it's still solid. But the other one I had to weld kind of around here. On the other side. That's not finished yet either. So that's making the template up anyway, so I'll just see how I'm fitting it, getting it fitting in here. I think there's a bit needs to come off the bottom there because it's sitting to be here, but I'm wondering whether to weld it along here. I don't really know yet if I take it up to here or overlap it, I don't know. So I'll need to think about that and how I'm going to do it. Right, thanks for watching, hope you learned something and see you in the next video.